Turn on, buksan daw ang water faucet. Adjust the flow of water. Ano ibig sabihin ng adjust the flow? Oo, so hindi pwedeng sobrang lakas kasi tatasik ang tubig, spread of microorganism. Hindi naman pwedeng sobrang hina kasi hindi naman mag-cleanse yung kamay mo adequately. So ano lang dapat? Moderate, katamtaman. Nakuha ninyo? Now, adjust the flow of water. Check the temperature of the water. O, damahin nyo yung tubig. The temperature of the water should be warm. O, bakit warm? Bakit warm? It kills what? Okay, diba? Pag mainit, diba? It kills bacteria or microorganisms. Nakuha ninyo? Ayan, check ko na. Yes? Okay, rinse the hand in the direction of the forearm, wrist, and hand. Nakuha ninyo? Ano yung ibig sabihin ng rinse? O, babanlawan na natin yung kamay. O, di ba sabi ko kanina sa surgical paano? Pag ganon. O, ngayon, at ito, paano?
Simula sa
Forearm, wrist, hand. Forearm, wrist, hand. Nagets nyo? Keep your hands in a down position. Elbow straight. Avoid touching the side of the sink. Bakit hindi pwedeng i-touch to? Siyempre, microorganism pa rin. Ano? O, nakaganyan. Tapos bawal yung ano ha, nag-rinse ka nga, tapos ang ginawa mo? Ano yan? Wisik-wisik, bawal yan. Kasi di ba spread pa rin of microorganisms. O, ulit. Rinse the hand in the direction of the forearm, wrist, and hand. Forearm, wrist, and hand. Keep your hands in a down position. Elbow straight. Avoid touching the side of the sink. Nagets?
Yes.
O, ano susunod?
dry.
Okay, apply 5 ml or 1 teaspoon of liquid soap. Tama? And paano kukuha ng sabon? Okay, so ginamit ko yung elbow ko. Nakuha ninyo? Kasi pag ito, contamination. Nagets?
Yes.
Okay, kumuha na po ako ng 5 ml of liquid soap or 1 teaspoon or 5 ml of liquid soap and ano gagnawa ko? Rub it thoroughly for 10 to 15 seconds. Bilang.